Princess Kamaya and Princess Kaya and Princess Evelyn. Princess Evelyn. Today we could be trying spicy noodles. And Princess Samaria. And I'm the judge. Spicy noodles. I'm the judge. And we have 2 times. It's 2 times spicy. Spicy noodles. So hold on, let me do. We all got spicy noodles except for her because Samaria is gonna be the judge, and we all she just has to eat her noodles. So and it's Princess. No, Princess Tiante. No. Yeah. Princess Tiante. But we started. Oh my God! What did I get myself into? Like on 3, 2, 1. I'm not burning.
Motherfucking shot! What the fuck you doing? No, look. You know what? You right. Go ahead. We just a whack up.
Oh my God. We just gonna eat it all. Yours already hot. Eat it.
No, this first round was good.
Oh my God.
Shot to 2. Ain't no motherfucking shot to this.
Enjoy this video.
I don't want to listen to
Get off of that.
nigga, you got him on phone.
She got a nigga, he got a shirt. You can't compete when you can't compare. She ain't the
Y'all, it is so hot. I bet it is hot. Is it really hot? Why is this pot stop?
Hold on now.
Cheers.
Damn.
What the?
Come
Yeah. These are mine. Let's get mine. And there's Evelyn. She's back quick. Get on me! Come on, Maya. You go do this, Maya. I'm gonna just do it. Now.
Hey, when we shoot, it's over with. My whole fucking cup just filled.
We can't let it touch our tongue. I'm done. Yeah, I went up to go film my.